49 stakes. Det är en Ankkuri, Lahti, Finland.
Asuntoskeittiö Karilassa.
The rest is for versus 20 grams. This residential building has two different parts. This one with the 1970 MP6 elevators, and from early 1973 the stakes is E, F, and G. So I just filmed here. And yes, with 1970 turning 50 years old in 2020 is going to be inspected in 2023, and the number is 18985. Deserves to rise. In this residential building, I had been to the Stekis Sea before, probably, but this time it would be a better video.
Yeah.
Because I'm not sure if it was that one.
Inspected by device and maintained by Kone.
Yeah. Slow door.
Yeah.
That's it, thank you very much for watching. Let's go to the stakes A, B, and C here.
That's